DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Volvo. It's the V40. Lovely condition for its age and mileage. Very economical, low tax, cheap to insure, privacy glass to the rear parking sensors as well. It's got very good spec on it. Satellite navigation. As you can see, it's in lovely condition. Boot area's lovely, rear parcel shelf, full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors. Does not look like its age or mileage. It's just done 947 miles. We've got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights, satellite navigation, park distance control, 3-stage heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, media pack. Really is lovely condition, great value for money. At DJH, or full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.